Hello, friends. My name is Rujuta, and I'm here to speak with you in English and learn with me in English. And I'm here to tell you that English is not that difficult, it is just a language. You just need to be confident while speaking in English, and also you need to be a little bit conscious of what you're speaking. It is just a language, it has come from Western culture, and that is the reason a big bubble has been created that English is a very big language, and you need to know it. Everyone who speaks in English is something really big and huge. Nothing like that. It is just a language. Know this, that you can speak in English very very soon, and basic English knowledge is also necessary or required, or it is very important that you know some basic things when you speak in English. So let's start by introducing ourselves in English. So if I'm meeting some new person, or I'm greeting a new person, how will I introduce myself? So let's start with it. So I'll just say, hello, my name is Rujuta, and I am an engineer by profession. I have done my engineering. I come from a IT background. I have worked in IT company, and I come from Pune, and currently I'm residing in Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar, and my hometown is Yavatmal. My father was in marketing, and that is the reason I have traveled all over India. So I have been to many states of India, and I love traveling because of the reason that my father was always traveling to all the states of India. That made me a travel enthusiast. So I love traveling. As you can see, I'm a foodie. So this is what I do. So for living, I work in an IT company, and I have around 12 to 13 years of experience in IT. And in my family, I have a brother. I live with my father, and that's it from my side. See how simple it is. It is very simple to speak in English, introduce yourself in English. Just try to create few sentences that will give the audience or the other person some idea that you what you do, what's your name, what you do, where do you come from, what's your background. This will be an icebreaker between you and the other person. So these are just 5 sentences that you can just learn on daily basis. You can recite it. You can just learn or create 5 sentences about yourself. You can just say, hello, my name is this. What's your profession, or what's your education? From where do you come from, and how many people are there in your family? What do you do, and what are your aspirations, and what all likings do you have? So this is just a very basic and very friendly informal way of introducing yourself. So if you are going to an interview, so the language changes, the tone changes, everything changes. So when I spoke some time back, it was a very informal language, saying that I am doing this, I am doing that, I am from here, I am from there. But when you have to introduce yourself to a professional person or some interviewer, then your tone should change. So you need to be very specific. You need to know your skills. You need to tell them what you excel in. So just to give an example, maybe if I'm going to an interview, how will I introduce myself? So I'll just say, hello, my name is Rujuta, and I have completed my engineering in computers in 2008. After that, I have been working for 2 3 companies, and I have total experience in software testing, and currently I am at a managerial position. And I I have skills like explain your skills that you majorly have worked on, and then tell your aspirations. Why do you want to be in this company? So give 2 3 lines on that, and then conclude with why do you want to change or why do you want to join this company. So this is just basic simple English, and know that it is not difficult. It's in your head, it's in your mind that you feel that you lack talking in English or you don't know words. These are just words, these need to be spoken. Even a simple language can be understood by the other person if spoken correctly. Even if the intent is correct, the other person will understand. So learning English is not that difficult. I would say try with simple sentences, like hello, my name is this. Hello, I would like to do this. Try to understand what things mean in English. For example, this is a water bottle. So in our local language, we will say something else, but in English, this is a plastic water bottle. This is a mug or a cup. Also, this is a box. This is a box. So likewise, you will explain everything in English. Try to speak and try to identify the words what it is called in English. For example, switchboard, monitor, laptop, then keyboard, keyboards, keychains. So try to identify each words in English and then try to improve on it. This is the basic ideology of learning English. You can start with reading newspaper in English. I know everyone says it, but it's difficult because people who do not understand English, it's difficult to, read it and understand it in one go. But when you try to listen to it again and again, if you start watching English movies, English web series, maybe English content, English lectures, it slowly, not in one day, but slowly you will definitely understand it. And once you understand it, try thinking in English. This is the basic concept of learning English. When we start thinking in English, we will be able to speak in English. That is the main ideology behind learning and speaking in English. So English is a word that people are afraid of. They are petrified. Oh, I don't know English. It's not that. If I'm a Maharashtrian, I can speak in Marathi. If I'm a Tamilian, I'll speak in Tamil. If I'm a Punjabi, I'll speak in Punjabi language. So likewise, English is a language, and for that you need to understand the words and just form the phrases and just talk in those sentences formed. It first you will not succeed. Let me tell you this, in the first go you will not succeed, but slowly and gradually when you start talking in English, when you speak in that tone, English has a specific tone. So if you do that, you will be fluent in it, you will try to understand it, you will try to pronounce it correctly. There are few words which are to be spoken in that manner only. So if you do that, I'm pretty sure you'll go a long way. So to start with, let's have some lesson for the next video or the next chapter to come. Let's identify 10 words which are a little bit difficult for us to speak or to understand. So try to identify 10 words and try to use it in your language. Try to write it down, try to make a sentence out of it, get the vocabulary or the dictionary, search that word in internet and try to use that word in your sentence. So maybe introduce yourself in 10 sentences. So let's start with that and try to have at least 2 to 3 words which are a little bit difficult to understand. So for me, speaking is a little bit here and there, but for a beginner, it might be really difficult. So let's start with simple English tones or sentences. So form your introduction and just type me in the comments and let me know how do you feel. Thank you so much.